Have you ever wondered what it feels like to stand in the middle of one of the busiest intersections in the world? Welcome to Shibuya Crossing, the dazzling heart of Tokyo, where thousands of people cross the streets at the same time, creating a perfectly organized wave of movement. That has become a symbol of modern Japan. As the sun sets and the city lights begin to glow, Shibuya transforms into something truly extraordinary. Giant LED screens illuminate the skyline. Colorful advertisements flash from every direction, and the energy of the city becomes almost electric. Every time the traffic lights turn red, vehicles come to a stop, and pedestrians take over. Within seconds, streams of people pour into the intersection from all sides. Office workers heading home, students meeting friends, tourists capturing memories, and locals going about. Their evening routines all merge into a fascinating dance of urban life. What makes Shibuya Crossing so remarkable is not just the number of people crossing, but the incredible order within the apparent chaos. Thousands move simultaneously, yet collisions are surprisingly rare. It is a reflection of the efficiency and respect that characterize everyday life in Japan. At night, the crossing reaches its most spectacular form. The bright neon signs and massive digital billboards create a futuristic atmosphere that feels like stepping into a science fiction movie. The surrounding buildings become a canvas of light, color, and motion, making every corner of the district visually exciting. Shibuya Crossing is more than just a transportation hub.